Team. This is Ramdev welcoming you all to one more interesting session of Air Pro Academy. Team, we have been talking about grade structure and career progression of technicians, in particular to mechanical trade. Already we have discussed about who should be considered as a trainee technician, what should be his background, and what should be his period of training. Then how does he move to junior technician? Then about junior technician we have discussed. In today's episode, let us discuss about technician grade 1, what I name it. So technician grade 1, when an individual has to come there to come get that cadre, get that career progression and come to that segment, he should have done all the required certification, manufacturer certification, whatever e-learning is there, that all that he should have completed. All this he should do preferably in a span of 18 to 20 months. So to say, from trainee technician to junior technician, I've already briefed, 6 to 8 months. From there to here, from junior technician to becoming a technician grade 1, his eligibility and his capability should gain within a span of 18 to 20 months. This technician grade 1 should be by this time fully conversant and had got all the expertise required to carry out all kind of services. Irrespective of it is a paid service or a free service, he has mastered on that. So he can do effectively all these services in a qualitative way with lesser time because he has been practicing that. Now, this is the time for this individual to start learning something about auto electrical as well. This electrical and electronics are gaining more and more importance in our field as the cars are getting advanced, more electronic is getting into it. So it is imperative, it is inescapable that we don't have awareness on this particular field as well. To make him to stand in the crowd, he has to start learning about electricals also. If you recollect in the last episode, I have told that you have to pick up some extra skill while you do it. The same thing continues here as well. You have to keep on getting some skill, what do you call that, acquiring that knowledge, understanding, practicing, that you should start doing. I am fully confident that you will have enough opportunities if you take interest to do that. Then this technician grade 1, by this time should have acquired his driving license, which is very important for in our field. So he should have acquired that. Also, to large extent, he should have learned the four-wheel driving as well. Because as he goes forward, this becomes one of the quality expected in that cadre. So there is the time, right time, where the individual picks up that skills of driving as well. The next point is this technician grade 1. Now he is, as a junior technician, is fully aware, his awareness is fully there about hand tools, special tools, equipments, workshop equipments, and all. Now, one step ahead, apart from knowing how to use it, he should also start learning small, what do you call, maintenance of that also. If there is any challenge comes in while operating this equipment, he should be self-sustained enough to see that he takes care of that issue and he not gets bogged down by a kind of a small problem with the equipment. So by this time, he should have acquired that quality as well. The next very important point, according to me, is technician grade one. By this time, when he becomes technician grade one, he should be capable of using all the test equipments in a very effective way, also understand the reading of it, and also see that whatever whatever that caution comes in or whatever that reading gives the information, those activities on the car he should be able to carry out without any assistance. So he should have gained that ability by this time. Next is, as I always say, you have to make continue entire life. You may get bored, but I will be continuously telling this. Discipline becomes the primary thing for any professional. So he has to have that inbuilt discipline because he has moved from an educational institution, become a trainee technician, unit technician, now he's a technician grade one, whereupon some people below him will be looking at him to set an example. They will pick up some of the habits, qualities of the technician grade one. So it becomes important for him, for that individual to demonstrate very high level of discipline. Please don't forget to continue your maintenance of daily diary or workshop diary, what I said in the earlier instance. Whatever observation you come across during the day, please make a note. However small it is, however uh, minor it is, don't think it is just a small thing. Why should I? Please make a note. This will give you lot of room to focus and develop yourself further. Furthermore, if you have maintained this diary all along and continue to maintain, it will become your kind of a professional Bible or a Quran or a Bhagavad Gita, that kind of a thing. Sometime later, when you refer it, you will feel yourself so proud that the way I have learned, the way I have small things I have taken care, have made me today what I am. So in that regard, it becomes very important to continue this daily as well. This technician grade one should always take care all the precautions required, not only to serve himself, not only to workshop, even to customer car. He has to handle the customer car as though it is some precious thing, although it is owned by him. He should take care all the required activity in such a way that the car is in the best of way handled at workshop. We will be continuously talking on this subject. We are left with some more, Kedar. We will take care of other things, as I said in my earlier instance. We will be doing that because it is very important for each individual to understand how to move up in his in his in his profession, in his career, in his life. So I am giving a lot of importance for these sessions. Before concluding, I would like to intimate that I've written a small write-up of whatever during the video I've discussed in the day, the link of which I've shared in the description. Please go through that for better understanding. Thank you very much. Be safe. Keep smiling.